Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. This is Rajesh and today in this video you are going to learn how to draw your own cartoon character. So today I'll give you some tips to draw your own cartoon, but this is not the only video in which you will watch and you will learn. You have to follow me continuously because I'll make some characters out of the tips which I'll explain you in this video. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So friends, to draw your own character, we need to know some basic things which will be applied to our characters. Actually, in all characters we can apply those things. So first thing is the eyes. You need to find out your own style of eyes, and that also you need to stick with that style and apply that eye in every character you will design. For example, first if I'll draw this eye, round, and this eyebrow, you need to keep this style always in every character. And maybe nose you want to add like this, it is okay, and mouth. Okay, so this is the style you need to follow if you are happy with this style. Otherwise you can go for this eyes, simple, okay, nose and mouth. And for the male character you can do this. You can change your mouth if you want to. So but first you need to focus on the eyes. Eyebrows also you can make your own style, but eyes also, if you want this style, you need to follow this style in every character you are designing. Okay, so this is the male character, so you need to add this one. And if it is female, then what you need to do, I'll tell you. Let me erase this one first, and then let me copy it. So this is the copy of this, and what I'll do, I'll add some eyelashes like this, and instead of doing this, I will make thin eyebrows like this. Okay, and lips I will change to, this is 3/4. Let me tell you first. This. Okay, so now you can very well understand the difference. If you want, you can change the nose as well like this. Okay, so these are the two changes you have to do for male and female character, and in every character you need to apply this only. Don't go for other style, because you need to habituate with this style, then only you can jump to your next style. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. And you should not design your character tough. I mean to say that you should not go for human character at first. You need to go for simple characters, as I am showing it to you. Like if I'll do rectangle, and here you need to put the character. How? I'll copy this first. You need to draw it. Let me tell you that this first. For the sake of this video I was doing that, but no issue, I'll go for the drawing. What I'll do, I'll design this circle, and the eyes like this. You can change the eyeball from left to right, top to bottom, your wish. And the eyebrows like this. This will be thick. Mouth, I'll change it to this. Okay, and I'll add some dimension like this. Yeah, something like this. And I'll add hands. And if you are adding some hand, you should not go for the detail. You should not go for the detailed work. Just do like this. This is more than enough, because you you need to design your character first. See, this is also looking quite nice. So likewise, first you need to choose your object on which you will put these features. Okay, so this is one, and another one I'll tell you. Let me hide all this so that I can draw and show it to you what I want to tell you. Okay, so here first I'll draw some like pencil. And here I'll add the face. This was round, I think, and here the mouth. Okay, and if you want you can add this, and from here you can add the hands. See, your character is ready. So let's try something different. I'll do this pencil in different character. So I have decided to do the head over here. So now I'll flip it upside down and create the different character. So here I am adding legs. If you want, you can add also. In this character, I thought to draw the legs, but instead of drawing two legs, I have used this pointed area as leg, single leg. So, but here I have changed the position, or you can say the point which is downward. I kept it on the top as head, and this leg over here. So this is a different style, and it's up to you how you are visualizing your character on the object. If you have any object in your room, you can see and visualize in which way you can present your character, like I have done here with a pencil. Both are different but the same object. So you need to do your exercise, you need to do several drawings. Only you have to add your features, that is eyes. I have told you eyes, mouth, whatever you are practicing that thing, just use these features only in every object. This is the first stage I am telling you, and you should follow this. Then after getting habituated or getting acquainted with that style, you can switch to the different styles. So I'll give some other examples as well. Suppose I will draw some vegetables, the carrot. And now I will add the features I've told you earlier, this eyes. If you are following different eyes, you can add that also and see whether it is looking good or not. Okay, so I have told you, or maybe I have given you some examples what are the different eyes you can follow. So it's not like you have to follow what I'm showing. You can add only this two eyes as well, or close eye like this. This is also very good. So if I'll give you some other examples like this one. So likewise you can draw your character out of different objects. Okay, I'll add some more. So here I'll draw some cone character. So here the object is ready. Now I need to add the features, the eyes, nose or mouth, whatever it is. but I need to plan it like where I should put the face. Here I can put, or here. So I'm thinking to add over here. So let me see how I can add it. If it is not looking good, then I can anytime change the features from here to here. Okay, so first I'll add it here like this. So some expression should be there. Like this. And the lines should be little lighter to show the face clearly, like this. And here something like this, and here the shadow. If you want, you can add your character shadow over here. Okay, so like this you can design your character with objects first and find out some objects in which you can add your features. The first step is you need to freeze your eyes, which eyes you need to follow. If I'll hide and I'll give one list, then you can do it very easily. First find your facial, or you can say face. It may be eyes. If you are following this type of eyes, it is okay, or round, this is okay. Okay, with the eyebrows, because this is the part where you can work on and give your character expression. Okay, so you should not do it very lightly. It's a important part of the character. Okay, next you can put the eyes closer like this. This is also very nice, but in this case you might face a problem, that is while coloring. So instead of doing this, first you can go for this or this. This is the very basic one, so my recommendation is go for this, and then you can switch to different eyes style. Okay, this is the simplest one. If you don't want to add nose, that is well and good, and if you want to, then only add this. Okay, this one. I need to put it little closer. This one. Okay, if you want to add, it's not mandatory. And mouth also, for this simple mouth, because you need to understand the character first. You should not go for different type of lip sync and all. If you want to, you can practice it, but while putting it on the character, put it simple first. Okay, first your character should get ready, and then you can change the character's mouth whenever you want to. Okay, I think I have videos on mouth also. You can go and search in my channel like this. Okay, first you need to freeze your face like this. Okay, this one you are planning to do, then this one is fine. In every object or every character you are designing, you have to put your style first. Then after getting hands on the character, on the characteristics, you can switch to the next one. Okay, second, hand on the object. What does this mean? Means if you are doing some objects, suppose you are going for the pencil, so pencil you should study the pencil, like in future you will do the animation, so you should know how the pencil will bend if that character has to do something, some action like this, then how the pencil will look like. My intro, if you'll see, the animation is there. I have first observed the character, visualized the character, and then I kept the features. Okay, so you need to understand how the object will twist or turn, and in different position you should, like if I'll draw the pencil like this, it should look like pencil. Okay, and now I can add the features and hand maybe. Jumping, sleeping, every pose you need to draw with that character, with that object, and then you can put the facial expression, facial thing, this one. And lastly you need to add the hands or legs. If it is required, then only you can add. Otherwise, with that only face, you can create your character, like I have created in my animation Corona, where the character is something like this. Okay, and here no need of drawing the hands because this character already has hands. I have thought to make these tentacles as hands and legs as well, so no need of drawing hands and legs. So you need to decide, give some time to the object or anything, the character you want to draw, how it will look creative. Okay, think of that. And first go with the simple things like bottles, pencils, ice creams, cones, vegetables, fruits, and try to give that object a cartoony look, and then think about the animation. Okay, so try it and let me know how your process is going on and how these videos are helping you out. If you want any suggestion or if you want me to improve something, then please let me know in my description box and I'll surely reply you back, or I'll make some another dedicated video on your questions. So that's it for today. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to hit thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.